Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate overtime hours in Excel. Now for us to proceed, I have this working thing right here. So this is time in and time sheet. Basically what we're showing is login time and logout time. So we have accommodated the paid lunch time. So yeah, it's including here. Now what we're going to do is try to use this formula right here, and we're gonna paste it, and I'm gonna explain to you what we're doing. So right now we are trying to get the total hours here for the login time to logout time, and then we are trying to assume that the time is just for 8 hours. So if there is an overtime hours, basically what's gonna do is try to calculate how much of that time is in overtime or is part of the overtime hours. So that's why we have the minus here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, and you can see that total overtime hour is 1 from the login to logout. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to copy this one, and you can see that now we're seeing the others as well. Now what if, say for example, the total working time is only 6? Now you can definitely do that. You can go ahead and type it here, change 8 to 6, hit enter, and then you can go ahead and copy that formula to the others, and it's going to show there. So yeah, that is how you are going to calculate overtime hours here in Excel.